welcome back over here in Swickley doing a Mercedes, I believe this is a GLE 400 or something like that. Here, grab the keys. GLS 450 actually, but full interior detail. If you guys can see the window, it snowed overnight, a little frost. Yesterday it was 52 degrees, I believe, or something like that. The day before that was like 60, so back to the snow, I guess, in Pittsburgh. So, but let me grab the keys, unlock it, show you guys before, and yeah, let's get started. Guys, check out this interior. This is like normally how it looks whenever I do this. I do this car once every 3 months, I believe, or so. Found a $10 bill right there, so I'm gonna put that in the center console for my client. Just want to document that. I always document everything I find in my client's vehicles just for general purpose. But back trunk over there, third row, I don't think it's too bad, but still gonna be focus on that as well. My clients do have kids, of course, so I guarantee you somebody at some point in time is back in that third row. But yeah, let's get started, get to it. Spray, scrub, vacuum, steam, all that good stuff, and make this look brand new again. All right, guys, one more little tidbit before I get started. My steamer's warmed up. My sign's right here on the corner, okay? I don't know if you guys, well, I can move you guys so you guys can see, but right there in the corner. Church here, church is in session. Did a couple prayers on the way in here, so, oh, don't fall me now, don't fall me. Big gust of wind came, oh. But yeah, so there's a lot of people over here. My sign's out, people drive up and down this road. This is like a main road in the drag of Swickley, so a lot of people are seeing my sign, a lot of people are seeing me out here, and yeah, it's good for business. So let's get to it, and yeah. So I'm using my scrubber tip now just as ease and convenience and me being lazy, taking the tips on and off, but it gives me a larger area of steam that isn't as you know, centered and focused, but it does cover a lot of more areas. So basically it saves me some time. The only problem about Mercedes is that everything is electric. You can't just move the seat up with a little, you know, clip thing, whatever it's called, by hand. It isn't, it's not horrible, just, you know, add some time on the detail. So basically how I detail these with these seats and everything is I do everything. Oh wow, look at all those peanuts. I do everything that I can so that like in this area, I do everything I can so I don't have to come back to this area. So I'll leave this seat up until I vacuum this, and then once this goes down, it goes down, does not come back up. So that's how I usually do these details. Let me take a picture of this for my thing, for what's it called, Instagram and stuff. Now guys, hit these floor mats, get them loosened up so when I vacuum, and see, a lot easier. Here is the trunk. I'm gonna close this because all the wind I'm getting. I don't want to have to vacuum this again. But those white little specks are just snow, is what it is. So, all right, guys. Here is the interior. It's very nice and quicker detail express interior. You guys already seen the trunk, check, truck, whatever. A lot of these little pieces are snow. Those will melt once the heat hits it. But yeah, it looks pretty good. All right, put these back up in the mailbox for my client, and then go over my next detail. It's down the street, a few blocks, but that one might be a little lengthy, so we're gonna see. We'll see. All right, guys, back over here, just down the street from my previous detail. What I'm gonna do is take out these car seats and this here. I'm sorry, just that car seat. That car seat's staying in because it's all strapped in. I'm not dealing with that. I never do. I don't want to risk anything. But the inside isn't horrible. The back seat is and the driver's seat is. But I mean, when I say horrible, I mean it's not gonna take me 4 hours to do, right? It's gonna take me a little, well, 2 hours, you know, on the 2 hour side. But it is what it is. Salt stains, so I'll get rid of those. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. All right, so here's the trunk. Won't be able to get that fully clean. I already briefed my clients on that, but here's the seat, car seat area. All that there in the middle. Front here, obviously this vehicle is driven, so there's gonna be a lot more debris and whatnot up here in the front. Over here isn't too bad. You can tell the older kids it's over here. It's not too dirty. But yeah, over here. The only problem with Tellurides is the seat underneath. I hate them because this is all hollow down here. So it's a bitch to vacuum and stuff, but not too crazy. Yeah, let's short. All right, guys, here is the interior. It's snowing on me now, so nothing I can really do about the inside. But again, express detail, quicker detail, in depth, but not too in depth. Especially with these car seats, I can't really do too much. The back here in the trunk, snow, but it's all vacuumed. Vacuumed underneath it there as well. Third row seats. It's pretty good. Alright guys, that is the video. Thank you all for watching and tuning in. I'm going to go home, relax, all right, good stuff, typical Sunday, cook for the week, go to the gym, get ready for my other job, and then do it all again next weekend. So, thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for tuning in, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, and yeah, a lot of swear words today, a lot of them, especially with this snow. But alright guys, thanks for watching, I'll see you guys on the next one.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll